Hey guys, excuse me, early morning. I just want to get on here today and just say a couple things. And I've been thinking about what I wanted to talk about, what I wanted to give you a daily dose of encouragement, and I kept thinking about it. And this morning it came to me just like that. Plan A and Plan B. Have you ever had something that you're going to do, like a party or a meeting or some kind of function that you're head of or you're trying to help with? Um, when you have a party or you have something at your home or at a special event place, you want to go in there and you want to make sure everything's really pretty. You'll make sure of your lights or your candles and all the things that's set up for that event is just A-okay. No, you want it to be great. Well, you can have Plan B. Anytime I do any kind of function or any kind of party, I plan my meal. Let's say if it is a dinner, I plan my meal. I plan what activities and exactly what it would be good to do, what everybody would love to do. I have the attitude as I've gotten older, and I think you will too as you get older if you're not already my age. Have Plan B. Let's say something. Okay, I'll tell you something that happened to me many years ago. My husband and I were having a dinner party in our home, and I had Cornish game hens, and I had this potato casserole, and I had a green of some kind. I can't remember what it was, either broccoli or asparagus, whatever it was. Can't remember what it was. That's crazy. But anyway, that's not part of the story. When I was getting out of the casserole out of the oven, it was so hot, I dropped it. And we had Mexican tile floor, really beautiful, tile. So when something hits that, it goes everywhere. I guess at the time I probably was about in my 30s. I was in my 30s, in my late 30s. And I just looked at it. I thought, what can I do now? Of course, my guests were trying to help me clean it up. So, no, it's okay. I'll get it. I did get it cleaned up to a point. Had to finish it up after everybody left. But I had to make a decision to go to Plan B. And it worked out like it never happened. If they had not seen that happen in my kitchen, they would have not known I went to Plan B. This is sort of in life. If you've got a Plan A and it doesn't work out, go to Plan B. It really is okay. I don't know why I finally got that mindset. When I was in my 20s, no. Oh no. Maybe early 30s, no, oh no. I would go crazy. I said, oh no. But I went to Plan B. So every time that I have an event, I have a party, I have something I'm supposed to take, something I'm supposed to do, some kind of, if I'm supposed to take something, I go. If it doesn't work out, I go to Plan B. So you go to Plan B if you have to. I hope you guys have a great day, a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. Until tomorrow. Yep. I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it?